Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel or close your Chime credit builder account or credit builder. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there is only one method by which you can close your Chime credit builder account. The method is only like contact customer support team. Okay, so how you can contact, basically this is the page. Before closing your account you need to keep something in your account, that is keep something in your mind, that is to be safe and avoid a potential negative impact on your credit score. They recommend covering the negative balance before closing your account. And keep in mind that once they close your account you are not able to open your account. Okay, so basically how you can contact, so I will provide you their contact link, official website contact link. This is the page. You can visit on the page or you can directly call their customer support team. They have provided their phone number, and I'm not providing you phone number on the screen of my YouTube video because it's again YouTube policies. So I will provide you link and you can visit on the official website directly on the page, on the this page, and you can dial their phone number and you can get help. Okay, basically you can see over here, this is the page. How do I contact customer service? I will provide you this link. Okay, and their members is available at 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. There is no off, and you can dial their number at any time. Okay, or you can also open your app, tap on your profile, tap on help center and tap on chat. You can also contact with their customer support team by using chat, and you can tell them that you wish to close your Chime credit builder account. They will guide you each and everything. Okay, so now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.